Today we will see the application of stack. Now what is the application of stack? In application of stack, one of the application is conversion from one expression to another. For that we have to know what are the different types of expression. Now different types of expression. Number 1 is infix. Number 2 prefix. And number 3 is postfix. Now in infix we write the expression like this. That is, this is known as a operator and this A and B is known as operand. This operator can be any type. It can be plus, minus, division, multiplications, and this is known as a operand. In case of an infix, the operator is in between the operand. In case of a prefix, the operator is placed before the operand, and in case of a postfix, it is placed after the operand. So these are the three types of expression. Now we will see how to convert one type to the another. Like the expression is given in an infix, now we will check how to convert into a prefix and postfix. There are two ways. One is following the algorithm and another is doing it manually. In this class, we will discuss how to convert infix to prefix and postfix without using the algorithm. Now, let us take an example. From here, we can see this is an infix expression as the operator are placed in between the operands. Now, to convert into postfix or prefix, we have to follow a certain rule. What is the rule? Rule number 1 is that we have to traverse from left to right, or we can say we have to scan left to right. The next thing we have to solve is the bracket. Third, exponent. Fourth, multiplication or division. And fifth is the plus or subtraction. Now let us see and solve this example. Here we can see there is no bracket given, so we scan from left to right. When we start scanning from left to right, we see the first thing is A plus B into C. So multiplication has a higher precedence over plus. So we will solve this portion first, that is A plus B into C. To convert, let us convert into a postfix expression. So since in case of a postfix, the operator is placed after the operand. So here we will write BC. The operator is transformed at the last. So it is written like this. Whenever you solve a one part of the expression, then you better we put it in a third bracket. Then we write minus. Again we see that there is a division which has a higher priority over a subtraction. So we solve this portion also and we write like this. Now while scanning from left to right, we see the plus occur between the two operand. One is this and another one is this. Now this portion which has been solved will be regarded as a total operand. So we will transfer this plus at the last, that is A, B, C star, and plus will come here. Now we will write the rest as this only. Next is, again we are going from left to right. Here comes the subtraction. So we write A, B, C, and subtraction is placed in between this operand and this operand. So A, B, C plus D, E there and minus. And then the rest as it is. Again we see from scanning from left to right, there is a plus between this and this. So we write ABC plus DE and plus. So this is our complete postfix expression. Clear? Now let us convert into a prefix. That is, operator is placed before the operand. We will follow this rules only. Let us solve this again. Let us write it again. The expression, that is A plus B into C minus D by E plus F. So we will solve this portion first. So A plus, now this will come before B, that is next we will solve this part and this part. So plus A into B C minus now we will solve this portion and this portion. So minus will come before, that is minus plus A into B C D E plus F. Now we will solve this part and this part. So it becomes plus minus A into B C D E F. So this is your complete prefix expression. Now this was little bit easier. Let us take another one which is little difficult. Here we see that in this expression there is a bracket given. So let us first convert it into a postfix expression. See, we know from the rule that we have to scan from left to right, then we will solve the bracket, then exponent, this is known as the exponent, then multiplication, division, and then subtraction and addition. So when we go through this, we see we're scanning from left to right, we see there is this portion need to be solved first because it is the inner bracket. Now while scanning we write the rest as it is, that is B into C minus. Now let us see how to solve it. Now when we try to solve this inner bracket, we see in this inner bracket too there is we have to apply the precedence rule. That is, here is the exponent and we know the exponent need to be solved before the division. Now the exponent is between E and F. So we will write like EF and this. This part is solved. So we will keep it in a third bracket into G into H. Again we have to scan from left to right, and we see there is this portion need to be solved. That is, this is the inner bracket portion. A plus B into C minus, if we solve this portion, we see that D is between this division is between this operand and this part. So we write D, E, F exponent and we put the division operator at the last into G into H. Again we scan from left to right and we see that there is a bracket. Now the bracket is this portion. Okay, so A plus. By scanning we see that there is a multiplication, so this will get a priority over this. So we'll write BC into. This portion is solved, we keep it in a third bracket and then again we write DEF into G into H. The bracket is still need to be solved, so we see while scanning there is a subtraction and multiplication. This will get a higher priority over this subtraction. So this portion need to be solved first. So BC into minus. Now DEF exponent division, this will be placed here, that is G and into H. Now again A plus. Now we have to solve this and this is placed in between this and this portion, that is BC into D E F exponent G into minus. This portion is solved, so we put it in a third bracket into H. Again we scan from the left to right. We see a 2 operator, that is plus and this. This has a higher precedence, so we will solve this portion first. This A plus. This is placed in between this one and this one. So it needs to be transferred over here. That is BC into DEF exponent G into minus H into. This portion is solved. We keep it in a third bracket. So now this is left. This plus is between this and this. So we'll write A BC into DEF exponent division G into minus H into plus. So this is your complete postfix expression. Now I'll give you a assignment, that is convert this expression into prefix and give the answer in the comment section. If you have any queries, do post in the comment section. Thank you so much.